Sleep is a naturally recurring, reversible state of reduced consciousness that follows a regular cycle of stages across the night. The restoration theory of sleep argues that the main function of sleep is restoration, meaning it allows the body and brain to repair damage and recover from the demands of being awake. One key term is cognitive function. This refers to mental processes such as attention, memory, decision-making, and problem-solving. Another is sleep deprivation, which means getting less sleep than the body and brain require. Non-rapid eye movement, or NREM sleep, is the quieter form of sleep with slowed brain activity, especially deep NREM sleep, also called slow-wave sleep. A strong argument for the restoration theory comes from evidence that lack of sleep leads to reduced cognitive function. Research discussed by Robinson et al. In 2008 showed that when people are sleep-deprived, their attention, memory, and decision-making all worsen. According to restoration theory, this happens because sleep normally restores brain functioning. When sleep is reduced, this restoration is incomplete, so cognitive performance declines, supporting the idea that sleep is necessary for mental recovery. A second argument for the theory focuses on physical restoration during NREM sleep. During deep NREM sleep, the body releases growth hormone, which supports tissue growth and repair. Heart rate and metabolism slow down, creating conditions that allow energy to be redirected toward repairing muscles and other tissues. This suggests that sleep plays a direct role in restoring the body. However, there are important arguments against the theory. One key criticism is that growth and repair do not only occur during sleep. Protein synthesis and tissue repair happen continuously, including while awake. Growth hormone is also released during the day, especially after exercise, suggesting sleep is not the only time restoration occurs. A second argument against the theory is that it may be too simplistic. Some stages of sleep, especially REM sleep, involve high brain activity, which looks less like rest and more like active processing. This suggests that sleep likely has multiple functions beyond simple restoration.